Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. New day, new video. So this video is all about I have got a birthday gift and this is first time I have got something like this. So I thought let's unbox it. So today's video is about unboxing this beautiful kit. So let's start. So first there is a user manual and the 4 attachment as you all can see on the screen. And there is one bag, small pouch where I can keep all this while I'm traveling. Nice bag where I can put all this. So it's a EU pin, so I need a 3 pin to connect this. And 1200 watt ionic. You can set. So let's use this and see how it works. So again, I'm using this for the first time, so I really don't know how it works. So I'm going to use the straightening one. I'll show you how to attach this. So I have connected this and now I'll show you how to use this, and once I will put this on number 1. It's really good for natural smoothing and natural shine to your hair. How it looks. It's really good actually. So I love my friends who have gifted me this one. I really love them. And you all can see that it's a smoothing accessories which results to natural and shiny hair easily at home, which I have recently done. Second attachment is this one, so it's the same. You have to put it and lock. I'll just show you half the one part I'll show you how it works. So it's locked. This is for major curls, the big curls we do, but especially it will work on the long hair. So let's see how it does. Lock, and I'll show you this. Go to the parlor, no need to go to the parlor, you can just do it at home. See, I'm getting this. I'm not using in my full hairs because otherwise if I'm doing it half, I have to do it full. So I'm just showing you guys how it looks. So all the attachments are really helpful. So I'm detaching it now, and it's not hot actually. So the best part is, and this attachment is perfect for brushing your hair. This is perfect for brushing. happy that I don't need to go to the parlor to, you know, sometimes if I have to go somewhere, I just go and do my blow dry. Now I can do it at home, and it's very quick, so you don't need to wait for the curls and you don't need to wait for the straightening. So I hope ये वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आया होगा, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like this video, and please share with your friends who are willing to buy. See you all on another video. Thank you. Bye. Namaste.